What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just so you guys know, he was not hurt badly. He just hit his head a little bit, and he'll be fine and everything. So enjoy the video.
But his nose came, he blammed the brakes so hard that his whole nose came down and I hit and I went right over his head, right? Well, that could have been anybody on this trail.
Says not much. This has ever happened. You can twice. Yeah, I know.
Well, side by side, it's so popular now too, right? I think.
Yeah. But still.
Yeah, so his quad was pretty destroyed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This was the last camping vlog / video ever for 2022. Legends.